we are going to be teaching you how to use the horizontal bandsaw. First, let's go to know the horizontal bandsaw. Right here, you have the switch that turns it on and off. Then you have this wheel that helps to tighten or loosen this right here for when cutting materials. And then you have the saw itself, which pretty much oscillates, goes forward, back and forth. And then right here, you have the hydraulics. Make sure that this is at 0 and that this is at the bottom. Then when you're ready to cut, you lift this up, change, move the dial a bit to adjust the speed of the bandsaw right there. Just adjust it to where it somewhat gets down there fast, but then slow it down as it gets closer to good speed. Also, always make sure that you have your safety glasses on. And now we are going to start the bandsaw. How it actually goes. Gauge is at 0 right here on the dial. Flip the switch. Then lift that up. Then let it go down a bit. And always remember to have your safety glasses on, your goggles. Then you're going to want to slow it down. And you don't have to put that much attention on the bandsaw, but it's always best to monitor it. Get it to a good speed. Out there, 6 fine. And then you just let it go slowly and wait for it to get there. And just monitor it while it cuts to make sure nothing bad is happening. And that is how you use the bandsaw.
Remember, do not touch the metal piece after it's done cutting because it may be hot.
Just give it a while or not. Maybe use gloves if you have it, but just let it sit for a while to be sure. And that is how you use the horizontal bandsaw.